In this question, we want to use the periodic compound interest formula. The question says, how much money will you have in 4 years if you invest $9,000 at 6.3% annual interest rate, compounded quarterly? How much will you have if it's compounded monthly? So there are some key words in this problem that tell you which compound interest formula to use. And here where it says compounded quarterly, and here where it says compounded monthly, indicates that you would use the formula A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. The other formula, which is A equals P e to the RT, is for situations when interest is compounded continuously. So let's identify these different values within the problem. It says, how much money will you have after 4 years? So we have our time of 4 years. If you invest $9,000, that's our principal, our initial amount of money, at an interest rate of 6.3%, that's our rate, 6.3%, and we're going to write that in decimal form, 0.063. And if our interest is compounded quarterly, that is going to give us the value of N. So since it's compounded quarterly, that's 4 times a year, and N will equal 4. We're going to substitute these values into the formula to get A equals 9,000 times 1 plus 0.063 over 4 to the 4 times 4, and we'll type this in our calculator to get the value. We have 9,000 times 1 plus 0.063 over 4 raised to the 4 times 4. So that $9,000 would grow to be $11,000, $11,556.65. That was 65 cents. And then in the second part of the problem, interest is compounded monthly instead. So the first one was quarterly with N being 4, and then we're compounded monthly, which is 12 times a year, so N is 12. So we'll calculate again using N equals 12. It's 9,000 times 1 plus 0.063 over 12 to the 12 times 4. We'll type this in the calculator. $9,000 times 1 plus 0.063 over 12 to the 12 times 4. And with interest compounded monthly, we would have $11,571.73. So if you compare these two values, you can see that you get a little bit more money by compounding monthly versus compounding quarterly. When your interest is compounded more often, your account can grow a little bit faster. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.